Bitcoin went to my target exactly as predicted. And right now, Bitcoin is also gearing up for a big move in the next 24 to 48 hours. Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys and welcome back to another Gab's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And today, let's try to look at this at the short term. If you guys could recall, Bitcoin made a symmetric triangle and binigay ko tong signal sa inyo kagabi and nakita nyo to and it played out exactly as predicted. So what's next? What's next for the Bitcoin short term? Let's look at this chart. So right now we are forming increasing price action and then declining RSI. That would mean na meron tayong bearish divergence. So this means it's a trend reversal to the downside. To know how low to bababa, you should check the moving averages kasi sila yung magsasabi kung saan tayo magkakaroon ng support and resistances. So you could check the 20, 50, and 100. So right now we are being supported by this 50 moving average and the 15-minute time frame. Pero if you're going to look at the hourly time frame, pwede pa siya bumaba further by this 100 moving average or this 20, 50, and 100 moving average. In fact, we actually got rejected by this 200 moving average. If you guys could recall, itong 200 moving average is something na kailangan natin ma-break in order to flip bullish for the Bitcoin price. So sa ngayon, hindi pa natin siya na-break. And only then if na-break natin siya, saka lang tayo makita ng pump to the upside. So kailangan niya ma-break to muna. So what's next? So what's next for the following few hours? So yun nga, una is yung bearish divergences and then moving averages. MACD is also showing some signs na possible downtrend tayo for a quite a time for the short term dito sa early time frame. And yeah, marami pa tayong kailangan na tingnan na support kasi as you can see, itong 32,000.8K, ito ay naging support and we actually broke that level. Pero if we get supported somehow by the moving averages, dyan tayo pwedeng makakuha ng support and then maybe retest this level. So possible na mag-decline tayo and then get a bounce and then retest this and maybe go back to this level. Yun yung possible movement niya. Or let's say, nagkaroon tayo ng decline, nagkaroon ng bounce, and then bumalik dito sa level na to. So that's also possible for the short term. So if I were you guys, I would check these levels, the moving averages, the support and resistances for the short term para malaman nyo yung inyong next price action. Now let's move on to the 4-hour time frame. So if you guys could recall sa 4-hour time frame, we were actually following this falling wedge, this falling channel actually. So ayan yung papaba nga siya. And I've been telling you na you could trade this by this movement. So yun nga, nagkaroon tayo ng fake out pero right now we are playing this. And take a look at this guys. Itong move na to, what does it looks like? So let's try to look at this in a shorter time frame. Let's try to zoom in at this chart. And if you're going to look closely, and if you plot a line at this resistance, this is a double bottom pattern, indicating na if we have this double bottom pattern and if we break this, let's put this target at the point of breakout sa neckline. If na-break natin siya, this would mean na magkakaroon tayo ng target of 38.7K. So this move is possible for the next 24 to 48 hours kasi nga, this is in the 4-hour time frame. So this is a very big time frame. So I think this is a midterm target. So when should you trade this? So you should only trade this when nagkaroon tayo ng point of breakout, of course, sa neckline. And if ma-break niya itong strong resistance sa 34.5K. So itong area na to yung kailangan niya ma-break bago tayo makapag-continue. Possible na magkaroon tayo ng resistance dyan at mag-decline at lalo pang bumaba. Pero yun nga, ito yung kailangan nyo i-wash out, which is the 34 to 36K level as yun yung strong resistance natin. And dyan siya nagpa-fall yung mga resistance within this big channel resistance. Meron din siya dyan. So, take note of that. Meron din tayo isa pang good news and that is, yun nga, sinabi ko sa previous video, meron tayong bullish divergence forming dito sa ating 4-hour time frame. So, bullish divergence, as you all know, is a trend reversal to the upside. So, ito, declining price and then increasing RSI, indicating na possible tayo umakyat anytime soon. So, I would take note of that, guys, and follow this. So, yun nga, take note. If I only get a confirmation dito, if na-break to and nagkaroon ng volume at tumama yung MACD and RSI is also following, only then you should trade this. So be careful lang guys. So this is a good swing trading opportunity. So I would personally swing trade this. And yeah, if you guys want to know how to trade patterns like this, I also have I actually have a video on how to trade patterns like this. You could check this one out on my YouTube channel. I'll leave a link of this at the description down below so you could check this one out. And guys, if you want to trade this signals, you could actually use my code down below. That is 10% bonus in your first transaction on Binance. And if you want to see more signals like this, please subscribe for more. If you find this content useful and informative, please give this video a like. You could join at our Facebook, Telegram, Discord, and Twitter. Link is in the description down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.